Alright, so what is up? Look, I was just going through here, right? I had a little bit of brainstorm, so I had to share this with you. Alright, you know how, let's say you're in, affiliate marketing, multi-level marketing, you know what I mean? Any type of online business where you actually have to go and you have to get people, to join you in your business. Alright? Well, I come up with this little plan. Alright, because as you can see through here, right? These people, they post their offer, and then they'll get all these comments, alright? But won't nobody actually, nobody really ever takes action, So I was thinking about it, and one of the best ways for you to get somebody to complete an action, right, is to give them info. You know how when somebody says info, right? You'll shoot them over your link, or you shoot them a YouTube video or whatever, and then they might look at it, they might not. Alright? So, I've been seeing a lot of people promoting paparazzi accessories, or paparazzi jewelry. Alright? Pretty much the paparazzi accessories. They sell jewelry and stuff. Alright, and I see a lot of people doing it, because it's only $5. And you earn 45% commission. Alright. But anyways, so I was seeing a lot of people selling this stuff, right? And I know there's large numbers of groups of people that are in paparazzi, right? That's not having very much fucking success because all they do is sell from Facebook Live. Alright, or some of them might actually sell the stuff on Amazon or eBay, but that's higher ups and whatnot. Alright, but I had a little bit of an idea. So what I did was I built a little members area for paparazzi. Right? So now, when somebody asks, let's say they're trying to get somebody to join their team, and so they go to it, right? They send them an affiliate link, all right, and it brings them to this page, all right, opportunities. It says join the team. It's a party, and they scroll through, and a lot of people, they're just looking at it, they're like, wow, $99, no, I don't want to do that, But if you actually have a membership area, right, where you welcome them, all right, somebody, you post an ad on Facebook, somebody messages you, says info, right, you shoot them a message with this link and be like, hey, go to this info website that I set up just for this. All right, it's got videos, it's got training, it tells you like what we do, how we do it, all that stuff, right? So they basically, whenever they go to your page, all right, not only do they put in their email address, all right, but that's step one. If they go to it, right, and they're motivated enough, all right, to actually enter in their email address and sign up for your membership site to learn about your offer, you got them. All right, you got them. You're straight up. Then what they're gonna do is they're gonna scroll through here, and they're gonna be looking at all these videos. All right, they're gonna be looking at all the text and stuff that you got underneath here. All right, and then they scroll through all those. What is it? Right. So now it's the on up to the fucking making the money off of them, right? How much does it cost to get started? Alright, bam, you make a video about how much does it cost to get started. How can I sign up? Bam, make a video, put an affiliate link. Before you know it, dude, you got all these people that's coming into your membership area actually joining you. Alright? Actually spending the money, you're actually making commissions, and you're actually fucking getting somewheres instead of going through posting all these stupid fucking ads that you might not get no fucking body to fucking be interested in. Alright, like you can scroll through here, and you can see, some of these posts, look, info, more information, right? Guaranteed, those people ain't gonna join. Alright? Guaranteed, 90% of those people are just gonna look at the damn sales page, or get to an opt-in page and not even enter in their email address. Alright? Look, no views. Well, 2,688 views and not one comment. Alright? How? 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 You know, it's like everybody is interested, right? But these people ain't taking no action. You know, so what you got to do is you got to give these people something that is going to literally make them want to join you. You get what I'm saying? A lot of people like to give people info products, software. You know, just give it to them right out the blue. But what you got to do is you just got to get on up in there, right? Create you a nice looking members area, which you can get this one right here. And all you do is just change the logo, you know, change up the words and stuff, you know, to match your business. Put in your videos, all right? Make your videos and stuff. You can use the Screencast-O-Matic. That's what I'm using right now to record this video. All right, I'm giving you value right now. All right, I could probably turn around and sell this for a lot of money. All right, but the simple fact that I'm not, I think it deserves for you to subscribe and like this video if you like it. If you don't, please don't be a hater. Please don't comment all kinds of fucked up shit. All right, but I appreciate it. And if you would like to go on ahead and get your membership area like this, there'll be a link down below this video. All right, thank you.